зайка, 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 зайка. Солнышко, солнышко, солнышко.
Я
Ты в
жива, я
порядке?
жива, я жива.
То, что может спасти наш несчастный народ. Поскольку наш несчастный народ, в общем, в основной массе своей забил на спорт окончательно.
Готов к труду и обороне.
Думаю, да, конечно, конечно. Это хороший.
Так вытягивай.
Теперь я понесем за столом, когда это вчера. На! Подожди.
Это нормально это?
Тихо. Подожди, кис.
Женщина.
And men are being taken for their labor. I don't know how they could be more clear.
Yeah, no, that's powerful. All right, and again, that's from Ireland. Let's go ahead and talk.
God doesn't exist, that the Bible was written by a bunch of...
Keith left at the fort.
These caves, thousands of years ago. How do you respond to that? What's your chief argument to Temple War?
Continue for half a mile.
According to object to Bible or object more broadly to the existence of God, his providence in the universe, not on an intellectual basis.
You know?
Come on, buddy, make your choice. There you go, baby. There you go, boo-boo. Oh, shit, buddy. Hi, I'm here. Oh, buddy, you have not everything on, do you?
To unfortunately not see these criminals, brought to heel for exactly their nefarious actions. But any way you can get them.
Any way you can get them, I'm okay with it. All right, thanks, Evan. Jay, it's Who's That Noisy Town? All right, guys, last week I played this very quiet noisy. This is a parking lot, dude. Fucking shut up, dude. Just shut up.
Организация, осуществляющая управление многоквартирным домом. Кроме того, Анохин выступает за введение обязательной процедуры доактивации.
Да. И? Ёпты, блядь! Пиздец, ёбаные абхазы, блядь.